Did you know a Roman dictator shocked the ancient world by walking away from unlimited power? In 79 BC, Lucius Cornelius Sulla controlled the entire Roman Republic after years of brutal civil wars. He commanded absolute authority over 4 million citizens and could execute anyone without trial. For months, he posted death lists on public boards, naming political enemies for bounty hunters to kill. Senators trembled when he entered the room. Citizens whispered his name in fear. He wielded godlike power that future emperors would kill for. Then one day, he stunned everyone by announcing his retirement. The Senate sat in disbelief as he calmly explained he was returning to private life. He walked through Rome's streets as an ordinary citizen, no guards, no ceremony. The man who could have ruled forever simply chose not to. 1 year later, he died peacefully in his villa, surrounded by books and wine. He remains the only Roman dictator to give up absolute power and live to tell about it.